Today we're talking about loosening up the lower back with a lacrosse ball. Tennis ball could work for this. We like lacrosse balls, they tend to be a little firmer. If your pain is bad enough, tennis ball might be a little more forgiving, but these are inexpensive. They're on Amazon. Any kind of sporting goods store you might go to, you can find one of these, but a great tool for self-massaging, loosening up some of those areas that tend to be tight. And today we're gonna be focusing on what we call our QL muscle. So the muscle that runs on the kind of bulk of the lower back here. And that's what we're gonna be targeting with the lacrosse ball. And there's gonna be two ways that you can do this. The first one, setting the ball against the wall, and you're gonna do this on both sides. So finding that spot, you're not rolling on the spine, you're just off to the side of the spine, that big hunk of muscle right there. And then you're gonna find a spot that's tender, and you're gonna slightly move side to side. You can move up and down with it. And when you find a tender spot, what we call a knot or a trigger point, you just wanna keep pressure on that spot, take a couple deep breaths, and try and let that relax. Spending 5 to 15 seconds on that spot, and then move on to the next spot, up or down, side to side. So you wanna spend a total of 1 to 2 minutes on the right side, and then you would move it over 1 to 2 minutes on the left side. So that's the way to do it against the wall. The other way we like doing it is lying on your lower back, and this is gonna be a little more intense. We like kicking the feet up on a chair, and then we repeat the same thing. So on the muscle part of the lower back there, putting the ball in there, moving up and down slightly. You can move your legs a little bit side to side, and you're just trying to kind of what we call freestyle and find where the areas are the most tense, and then taking some deep breaths in there to let that area relax. So if the lacrosse ball is too intense, you can use a tennis ball, but we do like the lacrosse balls to really target that area, and it's a great way to relax those lower back muscles, get the spasm down, and get you out of pain and feeling good.